Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now this is part 2 of the anniversary card design. So in this part we are going to finish everything. Now as you know, this is the size. Let's increase it more. Okay, so we have this is the shape. Now when done, let's finish with this, then we come to the picture. So we are now going to design this. So I have my balloons being downloaded on my desktop. So I just go to the Insert tab, then go to Picture and Picture Browse from a picture from a file. Go to a desktop. Then I have my anniversary. So I have this balloon over here. So I'll just insert it. Okay. Then insert the balloons and can now expand the balloons over here. Okay, so my balloons is now my balloon is now expanded to this form. So I need to, when I check here, happy anniversary. So let's go in for the design at word art design text. So click on the Insert tab and go to word art. Now the first one, let's check. Okay, so this is a shape or this is a style. So design word art, and this is a style. So now we are going to center it over here. Okay, then we type in happy. So it must be they have happy. Then with this happy, you can increase the size. So go to home and now increase the size. Alright, so you have happy over here. If it is too big, you can just reduce it some more. Okay, so you have happy. Then check the anniversary. Okay, so you can just still go for the same insert word art. Now this anniversary, let's check. Okay, so it's indeed it has a shadow. As you can see, it has shadow. So let's pick one with a shadow. So insert word art. This also has what shadow. So you can just click on this. So we have this. Then we type in our anniversary. So we have anniversary. Then go to the home tab. You can increase the size. So first of all, let's settle it to 4. Okay, so anniversary, as you can even see here, we can bring it down small. So let's bring it down. Okay, so happy. Now with the anniversary, we can change the color as well to the red color. Okay, so we have this happy anniversary. As you can see here is the color here is black, but as you can see here you have the blue. You can still go to the same word art and I can change the color as well. So word art. Okay, now I change the color as well. So you want the black one. So this is black, right? And just choose for the black one. Okay, so instead of this, you can now use this. So paste this anniversary. Now just go for home, then click on this to have this color as well. Then can just go to this after selecting this, let's delete this as well. So let's take this one off. So delete. Now click on that and go to shape format. Now go to outline. Okay, can just choose on the black one. So so we don't want this outline, so let's go to none. Okay, now with this, as you can see, weight or dash. Alright, so here you can just put in, so this is a black, as you can see over here. As soon as you click, now it takes what? Effect. But you want to leave it as it is now. Okay, so we want the happy anniversary, and this can just move out some more. Alright, so we have this. We can also expand this. We can move it up some more. Alright, then okay, so we have happy anniversary here. Or if you want, you can just put this up, and you can send this also in as well. Okay, then can still reduce the size to fit. Alright, so you can still have this. Then the next one is going to be this, join us party. Okay, so join us party. So with the join us, let's go to the same shape, then pick this time around you don't want to pick this rectangular, you want to pick similar one, but it has a curved rounded rectangular shape. So as you can see, this rounded rectangle, so click on that. Now you can just create this, and you can now move in. Okay, now we type in join us party. So join us party. Oh, I wrote party. So join us party. Then you can now increase the size of this. You can just highlight this and increase the size. Okay, so you can increase the size as this, or you can decrease the size if you want. Alright, so join us party. Now the next one is going to be the date and the time as well. So you can still go for this text box here. Then we have this over down here, so you can write in date. Okay, so let's say 20th May of 2022. Then we have time, let's say 7:30 p.m. 7:30 p.m. Now you highlight, then you center it. Now you now increase the size. Okay, can I increase the size? So you want it to be at the middle. So 7 days. Now with this date, you can just change the date. So with this, you can change the font for both, but you just want to make changes here. So now time to, alright, so you can still make it like this. Okay, make it beautiful as well. And now left with this image. So how can we do this image? Now click on this. Now go to shape format. Okay, shape format. Now as you can see here, there's a shape fill. Click on shape fill, and now go to not picture. Okay, so we are going for texture. So click on texture. Now click on more textures. So click on more textures. Now you see this is no fill. Now I'm going to take it off. Okay, so that is a gradient. As you can see, gradient fill. Now you can decide to amend, to choose, or to just make it the way that you want, as you can see, or you can choose colors and whatever. But this time around we want picture, we don't want gradient, so go to picture or text. Okay, so picture or text fill. The picture has been added already because I added it before we started this. So if you should have gone to now insert picture file. Now insert picture file, then choose this picture. So insert picture. So you have to insert the picture. Now as you can see here, we have rotate with the shape. You click on, now don't rotate with the shape. So as you can see, when you click with that, when the shape rotates, it's going to move the picture as well. So as you can see with this, now it is rotating. But we want it to straight up, so we click on rotate, don't rotate with the shape. Then as you can see here, there's an offset left, offset right, top and bottom. Let's see. So as soon as we keep subtracting, now it expands, okay, it shrinks. The same thing applies to this. As you can see, it shrinks and it expands. So it expands, and top, moving out to the top one or to the down one. Okay, so as you can see, you want to cover this space, and you want this to the bottom. Okay, so we want it to look nice. Alright, and the right, let's push it some more. Okay, so let's see, we have this. Alright, so we have this. That's a beautiful one. Now aside from that, we want to add, as you can see here, you want to add border to the shapes here. So click on the same shape fill and go to, now click on the shape outline and go to weight. Now let's add 3 pt here. Okay, now with this, let's change the color to you can change the color to any color that you want, as you can see. So it depends on what you want, and choose the color from any what you want. So as you can see, you can start to just pick this one, okay, or pick another one as well. So let's see. All right, fantastic. Now looking great. Okay, so now looking great here. Okay, and that is it. So you see, now we are able to finish our anniversary card. So now when done with this, you can still add more effect to this if you want. Okay, but let's say this okay for us. Now how can we save this? How can we save this? Don't worry, just go to File and click on Save As. Now in the Save As, you can save this as PDF document, and you can still save it as picture. So first, let's save it as PDF document. So there's a, let's say, and 1. Okay, so anniversary 1. Then where I want to save it on the desktop, and 1. Then click on this. Then select PDF. So PDF, and click on Export. Export. All right. So after that, let's minimize this. This is what we did previously. So I'll close this. Now the file name is ANN1. So PDF file. You see ANN1 here. Let me open this. So let's wait for it to be open. Okay. So now it is open now. So this is what we did. Okay. So now it is open. Now if you want to send this, if you want to take this as a picture, how can you do that? Therefore, you need a screenshot software on your computer. So in this case, I have a screenshot software here. So I'll just go for the screenshot software. Then I'll just select where I want to take the image from. Okay, so with this side, I want this to come. This to come as well. So you make sure you set it up to fit where you want to. Okay, so I have this. Then I click on capture. So it's done. Now when I go to the desktop, it is there. So where that's a screenshot. So this. Now this is the previous one we did. And let's see. Alright, so that's what we did now. So as you can see, now you are done creating your card. So you can send this card, you can just print this card, or you can do whatever thing that you want to do with this card. Alright, so that's a way to create cards using the PowerPoint presentation software. Now in the next video, in the some other video, we talk about how to create business card, how to create invitation card, or party invite card, or whatever card that you want to. We're going to talk about a few of them too as well.